Hello viewers, welcome back to second tutorial of Node series. In today's tutorial we will see how to get data from other websites. So let's start. I will delete the flow created in first video. So in this video we will uh, display the coronavirus summary. We will get the data from this API in which we can fetch the details of total cases and daily updated cases country wise. So let's start it. uh, Drag and drop this inject node. To get the data from websites we have to use http node, http request node. So drag and drop this http request node and connect this. Instead of timestamp we will put this as a string. We don't need to pass any uh, timestamp to the http request node. Now we will use the get method and URL will be this. We will copy this URL from here and paste this here. And click on done. Now we will drag and drop the debug node here. Now we will deploy this and we will check for the data. Let's inject this. It is requesting. You can see here we are getting the data here. We will convert this data into standard JSON format. So let's use JSON node. Just drag and drop the JSON in middle of the HTTP request and message payload. JSON format, standard JSON. We are just formatting this data, nothing else. Just now we will deploy this again. We will clear this log and click on inject. So here you can see the data of COVID-19 country wise of total cases and daily cases. Here are, you can see 186 countries. You can see here country Afghanistan, country code, new confirmed, total confirmed, new death, total death, new recovered, and today's date and time. You can see your this data country wise. Let's see for India. This is Kazakhstan. Where is India? Maybe in 78. This is Iran. This is Indonesia, and this is India. You can see here new dates are 740, total confirm 12,88,108, new cases confirmed 49 49,310. You can verify this data with the websites as well, as we are getting this data from COVID-19 API.com. You can cross check here. Total number of COVID cases in India. You can check that. Let's cross verify the data with this. Where India, the total deaths are 30,601. So you can check here the total deaths 30,601. Total confirmed cases, you can see here total confirmed cases 12.89 million, 1.29 million. Or otherwise you can get this data after a period of time. You can make this inject node as a interval. You can get this data every 5 seconds. Click on done. I will clear this log and I will deploy. You will see the data will be updated every 5 seconds. Requesting after 5 seconds, and here is our data. Again wait for 5 seconds, your data will be updated automatically. Hope you people like this video, and thanks for watching.